No, I gotta be careful. Oh, okay, sorry. Phone just went, flying. Trying to figure it. Sorry, anyways, I'll edit that out. Anyways, so my gate's all messed up. I don't know if you can tell, and I'm kind of in I don't know if a fight is the right word with the gate. I paid the deposit to get, it's just bullshit. I already paid it. I started this back in like September. I had somebody chosen in October and they just never got out here. I paid a deposit, a non-refundable deposit, which was half the amount, like $1,750. So we paid like $875 and I can't fucking get them out here. I'm so pissed. My gate's broken. So I gotta deal with that, and I don't like dealing with this crap. So, but I'm just trying to get my gate opened up here so when my guys get here, they can just come right in. And we start doing some plowing. Still coming down. We're supposed to get another 1 to 3 before it's over. How accurate that is, I don't know. Let's see what the weather guys got to say.
Knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet, building to 4 to 6 feet in the afternoon. Snow, rain. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet, rain likely or a chance of snow showers in the evening with visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Intensifying low pressure south of Long Island, New York early this morning, will move northeast through the waters this morning, then move well east and northeast of the area later today and tonight. A high will build east across the waters Monday into Tuesday, then shift southeast of the region later Tuesday into Tuesday night. Another developing low will track east while passing just south of the waters Tuesday night into Wednesday. Strong high pressure will build northwest and north of the region Tuesday night and Wednesday, then pass east of the region Wednesday night and Thursday. Yet another low and warm front will approach from the southwest Wednesday and Wednesday night, move northeast across the waters Thursday while pulling a strong cold front across the region, and pass northeast of the area Thursday night. Today, southeast winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming north. Seas 4 to 7 feet, chance of snow with visibility 1 nautical mile or less early, then scattered snow showers. Tonight, north to northwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet, chance of snow. Light freezing spray. Monday, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, light freezing spray. Monday night, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet, light freezing spray. Tuesday, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west to southwest 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet, Tuesday night, west winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming west to northwest 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet, Wednesday, north winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming northeast 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet, Wednesday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming east 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet, Thursday, east to southeast winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 7 to 12 feet, Thursday night, west winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming northwest 20 to 25 knots. Seas 7 to 11 feet. Here are the latest automated marine observations along the Maine and New Hampshire coast as of 6 a.m. At Mount Desert Rock, the wind was northeast at 18 knots, with gusts to 20 knots, and the air temperature was 28. At Machinikus Rock, the wind was northeast at 21 knots, with gusts to 25 knots, and the air temperature was 27. At the Portland Weather Buoy, the wind was north at 23 knots, with gusts to 31 knots. The temperature was 26, the water temperature was 38. Isles of Shoals had north winds at 24 knots, with gusts to 26 knots, the temperature was 27. At Jeffries Ledge, the water temperature was 42 with 2 foot seas every 10 seconds. The report from Cash's Ledge was not available. At George's Bank, the water temperature was 37. Here are the 6 a.m. reports from around New England. In New Hampshire, at Concord, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 22 degrees, the dew point 19, giving a relative humidity of 89%. The wind was north at 7 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.90 inches and steady. Portsmouth, light snow, the temperature was 23. Manchester, light snow was falling and 24. Jaffrey, light snow, 22. In Lebanon, fog was reported with a temperature of 22. At the summit of Mount Washington, snow and drifting snow were reported. The temperature was 5 and the wind was out at 17 miles an hour. Berlin, light snow and 16. Whitefield, light snow was falling and 18. In Vermont, Burlington, light snow was falling and 22. Montpelier reports light snow and 17 degrees. In Maine, Portland, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 21 degrees. Augusta, light snow and fog, 19. Freiburg, light snow and fog, 20. In southern New England, Boston was cloudy and 28. Worcester, light freezing rain was falling and 24. Hartford, Connecticut, freezing drizzle, 29. Providence, Rhode Island, light snow, 28. In Albany, New York, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 25, and in New York City it was cloudy and 33 degrees. And now here is the latest weather summary for New Hampshire and western Maine. Low pressure passing nearby to the south of the region brings accumulating snow through this morning. High pressure returns and holds for Monday through Wednesday as low pressure passes well south of the area. Another low could bring more wintry precipitation around Thursday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for coastal New Hampshire, including the city of Portsmouth. Rest of today, snow, mainly this morning. Snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Highs in the lower 30s. North winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tonight, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 13 near the coast, with lows around 10 above inland. Light and variable winds, becoming west around 10 miles an hour after midnight. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 30. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 5 above. Light and variable winds. Tuesday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. West winds around 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night and Wednesday, partly cloudy. Lows 5 to 10 above. Highs in the mid-20s. Wednesday night, snow after midnight. Lows 10 to 15. Temperatures rising to around 20 after midnight. Chance of snow 80%. Thursday, snow. Rain likely in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 80%. Thursday night, snow likely with a chance of rain showers until midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows 15 to 20. Chance of precipitation 70%. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows 5 to 10 above. Highs in the upper 20s. Here is the recreation forecast for summits of Mount Monadnock and North Pack Monadnock Mountain. Today, summits obscured. Snow this morning, then a slight chance of snow this afternoon. Highs in the mid-20s. Light and variable winds becoming northwest around 10 miles per hour this afternoon. Chance of snow 90%. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 9 above. West winds up to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Monday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. This is NOAA weather radio station KZZ40 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz from Saddleback Mountain near Deerfield, New Hampshire. The current time is 6:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the KZZ40 listening area, a winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for the following areas: York and New Hampshire, Belknap, Cheshire, Coastal Rockingham, Eastern Hillsborough, Interior Rockingham, Merrimack, Southern Carroll, Southern Grafton, Stratford, Sullivan, and Western and Central Hillsborough. A winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for the following areas: in Massachusetts, Central Middlesex County, Eastern...
Alright, I'm gonna plow. I'm not very excited, but I'm warm. I got coffee, so it could be worse. I'm warm till I get out of my machine or I close the window. Anyway, thanks for watching this boring ass video. Just plowing snow in the skid steer, and I don't know. Yeah, just, getting ready to go through the day. Cheers.